Welcome to LearnQ.ai. In this video, we're thrilled to introduce you to Mia, a groundbreaking feature that is unparalleled to any other AI tutor you may have seen yet. That's because, unlike traditional tutors and chatbots, Mia leverages super intelligence AI technology and a reinforcement learning technique to deliver a highly personalized learning experience for you. It's almost like having a personal SAT tutor that's available 24/7 for a lower cost, offering you unlimited tailored guidance and support. To start, simply click Ask Mia through the main menu. With Mia, you have access to a range of versatile modes designed to address various aspects of SAT preparation. Let's look into each mode and understand how they can enhance your study session. First, general question. Mia's general question mode allows you to ask any general question you have about SAT, whether you need advice on test taking strategies or tips on how to prepare effectively. Mia is ready to assist. This mode provides clear and concise answers to a wide range of questions, helping you better your understanding for the exam and manage any related concerns. Next, reading and writing. Mia offers targeted practice and detailed explanation for reading comprehension and writing section of the SAT. This mode is essential for enhancing your skills in these critical areas, which are key to achieving a high SAT score. You can work on practice questions and receive immediate feedback to improve your reading and writing abilities. Next, math. The math mode provides advanced support for math concepts, including step-by-step solutions and problem-solving strategies. This mode is crucial for mastering complex math topics necessary for SAT's math section. You can solve math problems and use Mia to clarify difficult concepts or verify your solutions. Next, vocabulary quizzer. Mia's vocabulary quizzer engages you with interactive quizzes designed to build and test your world knowledge. This mode strengthens your vocabulary, which is important for both the reading and writing section of the SAT. You can take quizzes to learn and retain words and their usage. Next, text adventure. The text adventure mode uses interactive stories to make complex concepts more relatable and memorable. This approach enhances understanding by connecting abstract ideas with engaging narratives. You can explore concepts through stories to better grasp and remember them. Next, language. In the language mode, Mia breaks down SAT concepts and explanation in any language you prefer. This feature is especially helpful for non-native English speakers or those who learn better in their native language. You can select your preferred language for explanation to ensure complete comprehension. If you're more comfortable with South Korean, for instance, you can ask Mia to explain a concept to you in South Korean. Next, favorite character. Mia's favorite character mode provides explanation as if guided by your favorite fictional or historical character. This makes learning more engaging and relatable, boosting both motivation and retention. You can choose a character to guide you through study sessions, making the experience more enjoyable. Next, learn with analogies. The Learn with Analogies mode uses relatable analogies to clarify complex concepts. This mode simplifies difficult topics, making them easier to understand and remember. You can request analogies to make abstract ideas more concrete and comprehensible. Next, personalization. In the personalization mode, Mia tailors her responses to match your preferred tone, learning style, and communication style. This ensures that Mia's guidance aligns with your individual learning preferences, enhancing comprehension and engagement. You can adjust Mia's setting to fit your learning style for a more customized study experience. Also, the chat history feature on the left lets you save and view past conversations, making it easy to revisit and continue previous lessons. And that's how you can make the most out of Mia, your personalized AI tutor, to get the best SAT score. If you enjoyed this video, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe, and join our Discord community from the link in the description for more SAT prep tips.